and we were talking about kind of question. In the world, actually, a lot of kind of question, and of course, all of them are built and make a crowd ourselves how to be better in every aspect, of course. But today or this afternoon, we will talking or discussion about specific question, and the topic is spiritual quotient. Giving applause. How do you think about these terms?
Okay. Okay. Our topic today is very interesting because talking about spiritual come from the word is spirit, namely soul, inner, uh, religions, conscience, and spiritual also come from Latin language,
Yeah.
namely spiritus, which mean is breath, and the modern terms refers to non-physical